Pressing structured hats on a standard heat press can be a pain sometimes. This is because there's no industry standard for the curve of the crown of the hat. So the shape of this curve varies between brands and styles. So even if you do have a heat press with different interchangeable platens, there's still a chance that none of those platens are going to match the curve of a specific structured hat. Now, if you're a little lazy, or maybe you're an energy conservationist like me, you might try to steer your customers towards an unstructured hat, commonly referred to as a dad hat. Now, these are pretty popular, but some customers are going to want to stick with a structured hat. Now, in the past, you would add some heat foam or padding onto the lower platen to fill the gap in the crown of your structured hat. And while it's not difficult, it does add valuable time to your setup. And it also makes switching between different hat styles a lot more tedious. But thanks to the brilliant innovation of Stahls Hotronix, this is now an issue of the past. And this is thanks to the Stahls Hotronix 360 IQ cap press. This revolutionary new hat press features a lower heater with a thermal conductive pad, which is an absolute game changer when it comes to applying thick dimensional transfers like leather or embroidered patches. Now we're going to cover those in another video, but in this video, I really want to show off how this molded platen makes pressing your structured caps a breeze. Now we place our structured hat on the lower platen, and then we'll secure it with the hold down lever. I'm going to position my transfer on the hat and press it. Once the timer reaches 0, the auto open kicks in. I'm just going to hot peel this transfer, and now I'm all done. There's so much more to this press that truly makes it one of a kind, but if I'm being honest, the ease in handling structured hats is worth the cost of admission alone. So be sure to check out our other videos about the Stahls Hotronix 360 IQ and subscribe to our channel while you're at it. You can get more information and order your very own Stahls Hotronix 360 IQ today at heatpressnation.com.